This is everything you need to know to mulch your garden. Hi, my name is Matt. Laying down mulch will help with water retention and getting rid of those pesky weeds. Let's get into it. Laying mulch in your garden beds and veggie patches isn't just for aesthetics. If you lay it down correctly, it prevents weed growth, it's an added nutrient for plants, fruit and veggie, and not to mention it traps water in the soil, equaling less evaporation. When it comes to mulching, timing is everything. Laying it too early or too late can cause problems. A general rule, mid to late spring is mulching season because the soil is warming up. Before opening the bag of mulch, make sure you read the safety instructions prior. It is important to decide on the type of mulch you will use. This is Yucca mulch. This is a eucalyptus mulch, perfect for native and all general landscape gardens. This is orange in colour and it also has great water retention and gives your gardens a beautiful natural look. This one is pine bark mulch. It's an attractive timber mulch for garden beds and pots. It's screened and graded to ensure consistent sized chips. Water-saving mulch is ideal for the entire garden, including the vegetable garden. For a veggie garden, use sugarcane mulch. Before you lay this one down, cut a small hole into the package and stick the hose into it to wet it down. This will avoid the sugarcane mulch flying everywhere when you open it. This high quality garden care product that's not only perfect for your garden, but positive for the planet. Now we know which mulch we're going to use and the benefits, let's look at laying it down. First, remove any weeds from the garden soil. Once that's complete, you can lay weed mat to add another layer of weed protection before adding mulch. To calculate how much mulch you need, measure your plant and tree area to determine the meters squared. Spread the mulch along the garden bed, ensuring it spreads evenly. Refer to the packaging for recommended coverage rates. To maintain mulching, reapply at least once a year. To take full advantage of the many benefits it can offer to the soil, some people like to mulch twice a year. And there you have it. Laying mulch reduces weed growth and keeps the soil cool during the summer months. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.